Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, it's time for a quick burst of maths. Have a whiteboard and a marker ready for this one as we spot smaller numbers within bigger numbers. You'll see some dots for a short time, and it's your job to subitize and draw what you see. For example, if this pops up, how many dots did you see? Did you say 5? Well done! Now let's have another look at those dots and let's look at the smaller parts in the collection that make up the 5 dots. How did you see the 5 dots? Pause it here to draw what you saw and then circle the parts in 5. What way did you see 5? There are lots of ways. Maybe you circled 2 dots at the top and then 3 dots below. 2 and 3 make 5. Or perhaps you saw 3 in a diagonal line and 1 and 1. Did you see 5 as 2, 2 and 1? Or maybe you found another way to circle the parts in 5. Okay, let's have a few rounds. Clear those whiteboards and get ready to subitize and draw. Subitizing, eyes ready? Draw what you saw and then circle the parts. You could pause it after each round to share and discuss your ideas. I wonder how you saw the 6 dots. Well, it's time for round 2. Get ready to subitize. Draw what you saw and then circle the parts. How did you circle the parts in 7? Well, it's time to clear our boards for our final round. The dots are about to appear. Draw what you saw and then circle the parts. How did you see 9? There are so many ways to see numbers. Well, that was quick, and we were done in a click.